Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on our last day of sneak peeks. So I'm going to reveal the last product in your box of the month for April. The release date is April 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So these are all the beautiful cards I've made so far with the products from the box. You can go back to each video. It's on my channel. The thumbnail says sneak peek, and then there's day 1, day 2, and so on. Let me move these cards out of the way and we'll share the next product. So I hope you are excited for this month's box. Really gonna get you in the mood for some spring crafting. So our next product is this beautiful stamp set called Little Hello. So let me bring that up closer so you can get a better look. We've got two gorgeous hummingbirds. We've got two different floral sprays facing two different ways. You can beautifully frame up your card. There's some clouds, a single little flower, and a single leaf. We have sentiments, it's the little things, sweet birthday wishes, you are amazing, and a little hello. So what a wonderful stamp set. I hope you guys really enjoy this one. You can purchase the coordinating die on release day as a separate purchase. It will be listed under the Not Too Shabby section. So for this die, we cut out everything in the stamp set, including the sentiments. So let's go ahead and stamp out some of these images and create a card today. Okay, I've got a bunch of these stamps on my panel here. I am using the Pink Fresh Studio Detail Black ink today. Okay, I'm going to stamp that several times until I get the really nice dark impression that I'm looking for. Okay, I'm going to do one more time. That looks really good, but I'm just going to do it one more time. Okay, that's beautiful. So now this ink does smear a little bit with my lighter markers. So I'm going to let that dry for a little bit. They say if you use a heat gun and kind of heat set it, that should help prevent that. So I might try that as well. But you know what? I'm going to stamp out the other hummingbird. There's two hummingbirds in here. There's room. Let me go ahead and stamp out the last hummingbird. Let's see if I could squeeze that on here somehow. And then maybe we could do some more of these little flowers. Might as well fit what I can on this panel. I'll probably stamp out the flower a few more times. So I just Googled hummingbirds, and there's all sorts of colors that you can color hummingbirds. So I am just gonna go with my instincts and just color for fun. So I'm going to take some inspiration from the paper pad. So I grabbed a bunch of greens and pinks. I'm also using some Ohuhu markers for my greens. So let me start with that. I'm going to start with the leaves. I'll probably play some music so this doesn't take all day. And I'm going to start with the G1 and then G3 and then the GY3. Okay, so I'm gonna go on to the flowers using some pinks. My darkest R89, R85, R83, and R81. I also grabbed R20. The artist has drawn some lines in the flowers, so you could use those to help guide you where you want your maybe darkest shadows. I'm going to take a white Jelly Roll pen and do a little bit of highlights or little dottings on my images. I like doing this, it just brightens it up. Gonna add some to the centers. And I'm gonna cut these images out with the coordinating die. I have all my images cut out, so let's put a card together really quick. We are making a 5x7 card today. I don't think I've ever made that size before. So okay, so I stamped out my sentiment, "You are amazing," right on the watercolor looking paper from the paper pad. And I am also going to use the sentiment, "Sweet Birthday Wishes." I might use that on the inside. I need to make my mom a birthday card. So let's start putting this card together. Okay, so I'm going to start assembling this card. I really like how the flowers are curved. It's perfect to frame your card. I want to put this birthday message right underneath. So let's add that now before I forget. And down here I want to make a little frame with these flowers, kind of frame off the where the two pieces of paper meet. Kind of want to cover that line up with the flowers. So I'm going to have one on the side. Okay, I think that looks really pretty. I think my mom will love this card. What a fun stamp set to create with. I don't think it needs any embellishing. I think it's really pretty just like it is. And I'm going to go ahead and stabilize the back because see, the back is a little flimsy. And just some pattern paper will do the trick. Oh, I should decorate the inside since this is a special card to my mom. Okay, so I added some watercolored designer paper from Lawn Fun on the back, and then a strip from the paper pad on the inside, and then the outside. It turned out so pretty. So if you enjoyed the card, leave a big thumbs up, and I will see you tomorrow for release day at 9 a.m. Central Time. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys are excited about April's box. I will share in the hop video. We will be doing a YouTube hop and giveaway. So I'll share the paper pad club designs and also the stamp of the month. So take care, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.